Hey viewers, the snow is pretty much gone and I'm here with another video for you. This is the OG Mutant, debuting a couple projects that I've been working on and have completed. This is the Giant Hidden Shelf Edge Clock by DIY Machines. This is a project created by a guy named Lewis. That's Lewis, the guy behind DIY Machines. And I have to say this project was a long one, about 3 months, only because I used my Prusa mini 3D printer, and it's a small bed, but I was able to get it done. With the amount of time it took, I wouldn't make another one, but I only have recently got another printer to my office, the VoxLab Aquila. I have it running right now, and it's doing pretty well so far out of the box. So hey, I may make another one of these someday, but for now, this is good enough, and it was quite the challenge. So you can see the project was successful, and Lewis, thank you, and I hope you enjoyed that coffee. My next project is a picture frame for my college diploma, and I never bought a frame when I graduated because it was like $200 for a frame. I don't think I could do it. So I decided to make my own. Now, the frame that I currently have is PETG. Designed it myself on AutoCAD. And the design utilizes dovetail connections for all 6 pieces. And they fit on just like that. I had to buy some custom cut acrylic sheets from Tap Plastics. Wasn't too expensive at all for 2 sheets, maybe about $40 Canadian. And then I made these flexible clips to pop onto the frame to hold the diploma and the cardboard backing together to prevent it from falling out. And then your diploma would fit in the back just like so. Now this one isn't a big deal, but it's just a ice box for those Scotch drinkers, and I took the 2 top and bottom pieces and I redesigned them in CAD and printed them with wood filament just to make it look a little better. Just, you know, I just wanted to test my skills and see if I could do it. And this is Beaton Creek in Ontario, and we took the drone out to shake the rust off from not using it all winter. But if you like what you see, for more content, please like and subscribe, and I will see you next time. Bye.